The last library. In the future, people stopped reading books. They only used screens and computers to learn. No one read or wrote anymore. But there was one secret place under the earth. It was called the last library. This place had every book ever written, even the ones no one had seen before. Aaron *** was a 17-year-old boy who lived in a big city. In his city, people didn't ask questions or read books. Everyone used machines to learn. But Aaron was different. He loved asking questions. He wanted to know more about the world. People thought he was strange. One day, Aaron found a strange signal on his computer. It showed a place in the mountains. The signal said, "You want the truth? Go deeper." Aaron became very curious. He took a bag, hacked a flying drone, and went to the mountain. When he reached the place, he dug in the ground. After some time, clunk, his stick hit something hard. It was a black door made of stone and metal. When he touched it, the door slowly opened. Inside, there were stairs going down. Aaron walked down the stairs. What he saw was amazing. He found the last library, a huge room with thousands of books, old maps, floating ink pens, and books that whispered to him. The room glowed with warm light. Then, a voice said, "Welcome, Aaron. We were waiting for you." A woman walked out. Her name was Asha. She said, "I am the librarian. You are the first person to come here in 147 years. Aaron asked, "What is this place?" Asha said, "Before people used only computers, they read and wrote stories. This place saved all that knowledge. Every idea, every story, every invention is here." She gave Aaron a book. But it was empty. She said, "Write something." Aaron said, "But I don't know what to write." She smiled. "Then write that." So he wrote, "I don't know what to write." Suddenly, the book glowed. The words changed into, "But I will know soon." The book filled with new stories, stories Aaron didn't know he had inside him. He stayed in the library for many days. He read, wrote, laughed, and even cried. He learned many things: how stories can stop wars, how words bring peace, how people need stories to feel alive. Then, Aaron went back to the city. But he was not the same boy anymore. He began telling stories to everyone. People listened. They felt happy, sad, and curious again. They wanted to learn more. Many others started going to the library too. And the sound of pages turning came back to life. Moral of the story ****. In a world full of machines, stories and questions help us stay human. Never stop asking. Never stop learning.